Number one, nested functions and scope. Functions in Python can be defined inside other functions. Inner functions exist only within the scope of the outer function and can freely access its variables. Like this. Okay. And the end of, excuse me. And the end of print. Okay. Let's run and output like this, as you can see. Okay. Number two, factory functions. When an outer function returns the inner function itself without parentheses, it acts as a dynamic function factory, like this. And return. Okay. Another return. Okay. And creating custom functions. And print. Another print. Okay. Print. The output like this. Let's run. And as you can see. Number three, forcing anything to be callable. Using nested functions combined with args and kwargs, we can easily wrap a static fallback value into a function so our application never crashes when expecting a callable. Like this. Return element. Okay. Return element and return again. Okay. Testing. And let's print. And let's print. The output like this, as you can see. Let's run. And as you can see. Okay. Number four, function monitoring. The logic behind decorators. By passing a function as an argument to an outer function, we can use an inner function to intercept, monitor, or log behavior before and after executing without touching the original code, like this. Let's print. Okay. And return result. Another return. Okay. Let's print. print, print. Okay. And output like this. Subscribe for more Python tips.